About a year ago, I released NEB plugin as a free alternative to the popular Hana tool for VTubing community. Since then, it has been downloaded 3,000 times, which averages about 6 downloads per day. And today, I'm going to release the sequel, the first beta version of NEB 2.0. For those of you who don't know, NEB or Not Enough Blendshape is a blendshape manipulation plugin that can be used to copy blendshapes to your VRoid model, make new blendshapes, or even modify the existing ones. This plugin alone immediately unlocks various degrees of creativity to add to your VTubing model, like making, expanding chest size, change your face shape, or growing cat ears. The sky is the limit. Let's go over the changes in this version. To start off, NEB 2.0 will be in a floating window, just like the expression pack. The biggest hassle of the previous NEB version is the fact that it needs to be open in the inspector window. This means that if you misclick another game object, the inspector will not show NEB anymore. That's not going to happen in this version. You can freely move the window and dock it anywhere you like. You can even drag it outside of Unity window and put it on a secondary monitor if you have one. Everything you need will be in this window. You can switch between different menus by clicking on different tabs. Right now in this version, only the transfer tool is completed. And honestly, the transfer tool is probably the hardest one to code so far. Anyway, the transfer tool is specifically made to transfer blend shapes from one model to another and nothing more. One of my design philosophies when I'm making any of my plugins is to make it easy to use for beginners but extremely versatile for professionals. In 90% of NEB usage, it's most likely that you just want to copy all blend shapes from the 52 blend shape kit to your model. If so, in this version, all you need to do is to just stick the Use Reference Model field and put in your model to the target field. No need to use Hinska model. When you turn this option on, you're using my inbuilt reference model, which contains all of those 52 blend shapes along with other additions like tongue curl, height ears, and various brow positions. Of course, if you still want to use a different reference model, you're always free to put them into the source model field without activating the Use Reference Model option. For more advanced users, perhaps you want to copy blend shapes that are not in your character's face, like chest size or glasses shape. If so, enable the Use Mesh Renderer field to change the source and target field into the Skin Mesh Renderer field. In this mode, you have to drag in the child game object of your model instead. In this case, it's the body game object. For the most advanced users, you might want to activate Show Advanced Settings option for maximum control over the process. In this mode, you can choose which individual blend shapes to copy to your model, or, in case there are blend shapes with the same name in both models, which one will be prioritized. And finally, for a better user experience, I added in mask selection options at the bottom of the list. Another one of my design philosophies is to make sure that the user cannot make a mistake. And if you do make mistakes, you will know exactly what you've done wrong and how to fix it. That's why I included things like hover tooltips, which will tell you exactly what each thing do to your model. There are also highlighted and responsive error messages at the bottom that will help you self-diagnose the problems and give you recommendations on how to fix it. And finally, all changes are now safe when you close Unity. No need for those pesky warning messages ever again. This transfer tool will be one of the tools available for both Lite and Pro versions, so I'm hoping this will be a good representation of the standard of quality I'm aiming for when the final version is finished. Please report any bugs that you found while using this tool in the comment section of this video. Your support helps make this product better for everyone. If you already purchased the Pro version, you will get the final 2.0 version free of charge. You don't need to buy this tool again. I'm considering raising the price once the tool is released, so if you want to get NEB Pro, you better get them right now while it's still $5. And before I end this video, I want to briefly explain the reason why I decided to release this plugin early. As this channel matures, the demand for quality in every video and every tool I make keeps increasing. Right now, it has reached the point where every video just takes a long time to make. And YouTube doesn't like that, so I have to fill in shorter contents in between. YouTube just doesn't like pure educational content in general, especially if I only upload once per month. So if you want to support me in making more of these videos, I highly recommend you to either sign up for Patreon or just buy my tools. Get NEB Pro and Expression Pack Pro for just $15. Single purchase, lifetime updates. You've already seen the quality and care I put into my products, and honestly, your $15 purchase is basically what I got from YouTube monthly right now. And with that, I think I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.